Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken gravy, step by step. First, after roasting your chicken, carefully pour all the pan drippings into a heat-proof measuring cup. Allow the fat to separate and rise to the top. Skim off and reserve about 2 tablespoons of the chicken fat, discarding any excess. This flavorful fat is crucial for building the base of your gravy. Next, we'll create the roux, which is the thickening agent for your gravy. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt the 2 tablespoons of reserved chicken fat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden brown. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste. Now it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. As the mixture heats, it will begin to thicken. Bring it to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir for a few minutes. Finally, season your gravy with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, tasting as you go. Continue to simmer your gravy for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. If it becomes too thick, you can always whisk in a little more chicken broth to achieve the perfect consistency. Remember, homemade gravy is a wonderful addition to any meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade chicken gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.